What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be using the shotgun. Alright, guys. Today we're gonna be using the shotgun and the auto shotgun. It's a shotgun. It's a double shotgun loadout. What I'm gonna basically be doing is probably trolling people to see if anyone gets mad and see how this toxic or not toxic this community is. Alright, guys. I want you to like and subscribe, and let's cut to the video.
I'll watch you.
Awesome, bro.
Boo boo boy. Oh.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
This shotgun is massive, bro. Yo, you're.
Bro, you literally have to be the most stealthiest man on earth.
Yes.
Round starting.
Oh. No, stick your grenade. Oh, nice shot.
Round starting.
Oh.
Yo.
Yo, your lag. So what like the last person did, bro. He literally went up there with like sniper or like AR. GG's, bro. You would probably win.
GG. Whoa.
Full shotgun.
Round starting.
Uh-oh. Ah, yo, that's a really good loadout. Holy crap.
It is pretty good.
Round starting.
Oh, at 200.
Round starting.
Scored one on me. Most silverbacks usually can't score on me.
Yeah, at least I scored one on the first round. How far can those shotguns reach?
They have such closed-in bullets, so they can reach pretty far. Like at the beta, it used to be insanely OP. Like there would be actual knockback.
Dude. Yeah, normal shotguns don't usually reach like that. Oh, darn it.
I've been playing this game for 6 months. GG's.
Hold on. Okay. I friended you if you want to accept.
Alright, thank you.
I don't mind.
GG's. What? Okay.
Round starting.
New best loadout. Shotgun. SMG. No. Shotgun. No, not shotgun. SMG. SMG. Deagle. Great sword. Yes.
Round starting.
Oh my gosh, I got 40 coins. Yes. Yep.
Round starting.
Alright, GG's, bro. GG's. I'm not gonna rematch, but GG's. Alright, guys, I hope you liked that video. Hit that like and subscribe button with that notification bell. And see ya.
Subscribe!
Subscribe.